Good morning to all. Myself P. Vanitha, working as a assistant professor in EEE department. Today we are going to start Unit 1 of the subject Measurements and Instrumentation, subject code WE3404, which comes under Regulation 2021. Measurements and instrumentation is a very important subject because in engineering, before controlling or designing any system, we must first measure physical quantities accurately. Without proper measurement, we cannot ensure safety, efficiency, or performance of any electrical systems. In this slide, we see the course objectives. That means what you will learn by studying this subject. First objective is to you educate you about the fundamental concept and characteristics of measurement and errors. This means you will learn what measurement is, what errors are, and why they occur. Second objective is to impart knowledge on the functional aspects of measuring instruments. That means you will understand how instruments work internally. Third objective is to infer the importance of bridge circuits used with measuring instruments. Bridge circuits like Wheatstone bridge are widely used for precise measurement. Fourth objective is to educate you about the working of sensors and transducers and their applications. These are used to convert physical quantities into electrical signals. Finally, the last objective is used to give an overview of digital instrumentation principles, which are used in modern measurement systems. This slide shows the syllabus division into 5 units. Unit 1 deals with the concepts of measurements, and Unit 2 deals with measurement of electrical parameters like current, voltage, resistance, power, and energy. Unit 3 focuses on AC and DC bridges and installation amplifiers. Unit 4 covers transducers for measurement of non-electrical parameters such as temperature, pressure, and displacement. So the subject covers both theoretical concepts and practical applications. Now let us understand what is measurement. Measurement is defined as a comparison between an unknown quantity and a standard. Here, the quantity that we want to measure is called the measurand, and that standard is a predefined reference value. For example, when we measure voltage using voltmeter, we compare the unknown voltage with an internal standard. The result of measurement is always expressed in numerical values along with the unit, such as 5 volt, 10 volt, or 20 ohms. For a measurement to be meaningful, two conditions must be satisfied. First one, the standard used for comparison must be accurately defined and commonly accepted. For example, meter, kilogram, and second are internationally accepted standards. Second one, the apparatus used and the method adapted must be probable or verifiable. That means the instrument should give consistent and reliable readings, and its accuracy should be testable. If these conditions are not satisfied, then the measurement result becomes unreliable. There are two major functions in all branches of engineering. Well, the first function is design of equipment and processes. For design, we need accurate measurement of parameters. The second function is proper operation and maintenance of equipment and processes. For maintenance, for maintenance also, we need measurements to detect faults, overheating, or abnormal conditions. So measurement plays a main role in both design and operation of engineering systems. Measurement methods are classified into two types. One is a direct method, the another one is indirect method. In direct method, the unknown quantity is directly compared with a standard. In indirect method, the value is calculated from other measured quantities. In the direct method, the unknown quantity called the measurement is directly compared against a standard. For example, measuring length using a scale or voltage using a voltmeter. In the indirect method, the direct instrument is not always possible, feasible, or practical. So we use a measurement system where the quantity is obtained by mathematical relation. For example, resistance is measured indirectly using voltmeter and current by Ohm's law. In engineering applications, indirect method is widely used because many quantities cannot be measured directly. Instruments or devices used to measure physical quantities. A measurement system consists of the sensor, digital conditioning unit, and a display unit. Earlier, only simple instruments were used. Now, advanced electronic systems are used for high accuracy. Instruments evolved in three stages. One is mechanical instrument, electrical instrument, and final one is electronic instruments. This evaluation happened to improve speed, accuracy, and reliability of measurements. Mechanical instruments are very reliable under static and stable conditions. They do not need external power supply. However, their major disadvantage is that they cannot respond quickly to dynamic and transient conditions. So, they are not suitable for rapidly changing signals. Electrical instruments. Electrical instruments are faster than mechanical instruments. They give output more rapidly, but still depend on mechanical movement of the pointer. Their response times ranges from 0.5 to 24 seconds, which is slow for high-speed measurements. Electronic instruments are the most reliable among three types. They use semiconductor devices like transistor and ICs. They can detect even very weak signals and have very fast response. They are widely used in modern industries and laboratories. To conclude, in this lecture, we discussed the concept of measurement, basic requirements, methods of measurement, and evaluation of instruments. These fundamentals are very important to understand advanced topics in measurements and instrumentation. Thank you. Thank you to thank you to all. In the next class, we will continue with further concepts. Thank you.